Hello SeaWolves, welcome back to another Android tutorial on how to use SKYVPN. Important reminder, this is for Globe and TM prepaid subscriber only. Need a backup internet such as HTTP injector or slow DNS. And also need at least 10 load to use this service. You need to register. Just type surf alert on and send to 8080, or you can also follow the step in the screen. Once you are done registering, go download SkyVPN in Play Store, or also you can use in the link description below. After downloading, open the APK. Then click this 3 uses. Then click 2 times everywhere on your screen. Now off your backup internet. Then open your data, then connect. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you want more tutorial, just click like and subscribe. Don't forget to comment down below your suggestions. Greetings from SeaWolve team. Thank you.